welcome to another episode of Box TV. Now, this episode is about how the whole cylinder thing start. Today we have Keisha, who says she know how the whole thing start, and she gonna tell us what really happened and how this thing will go on viral. We also have Mr. Ferguson, who's going to be bleeping out some stuff because Keisha sounds very upset and angry and it's like she gonna curse. Keisha, you ready? Mr. Ferguson, you ready?
Me have him, man.
Keisha, talk to it. Keisha, Miss Good Up. Let me start. Dirty blood clot, carry on. Yes, you see
need to calm down a little bit.
What? Just bleep out the curse them. That's all. Your job is just to bleep out the curse them. Let me tell you the whole thing start. Dirty bitch. After a while she come in my house, right? And she said she hungry, she want something to eat, something for go cook. So she me tell her, say, I have food, but me not have no gas. You know, she tell me say everything good and everything okay. And then the next day after that, me see this dirty blood clot bitch in a party with the gas cylinder on her shoulder. I chew her dirty stinking what off of me. I'm out stink, so anything come out there dirty and it stink. But let me tell you something, dirty blood clot, carry on. You think that can't bother me? That can't bother me because of you the whole internet a laugh off her. And I like you for do, you have to put the whole blood clot screw up on your neck, make it broke it, and then turn it on, make it burn you up. She walk up and down with cylinder on her blood clot shoulder. But any me and there she come test me with that cylinder, me put out that ras. Yeah, come now, come with your dirty cylinder, your empty cylinder, you not say nothing. Dirty blood clot, carry on. Okay folks, there you have it. Box. Don't move your face. And remember, and everything you say you for follow. And if you now wonder why my jacket not fit, it's because I ordered it from China and it take 3 weeks and it don't fit. So if you buy some from China, make sure you buy 3 size up or then buy a box t-shirt instead because them are fit. So don't forget, share, comment, like, support, box. Don't move your face. So come back with some more Box TV and some more music. Oh God.